Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, the Honorable Tumis Nurul as a lecturer in charge of the course English for Communication 2. Here we are from the group of 7. My name is Siti Aisyah.
My name is Biliandra Tegarabizar.
My name is Arianda Oktairi.
My name is Agung Yusuf.
Permission to collect assignment in the form of presentation using English. Okay, here we will discuss the process control block.
Process control block are other pieces of information that the operating system needs to control and adjust to the various active process. Process priority control block is a quantity or value that provides information about how often the process is executed by the processor. Element in the process control block. It can be seen in the picture where there are process state, process number, program counter, register, memory limits, and list of open file. Below are the elements contained in PCB running. Identifier this element is used to identify and differentiate between one process and another. Program counter, next address will be executed. State, the status of the processing being executed. Locate, etc. Priority, status of the process being executed. Locate, etc. Priority, contain information about the total processing team that has been used, processing team limits, order number, and so on. Memory pointers that will let show the memory address of data and code associated with blocked and memory shared with other process. If any, contact data that is in the processor register at the time the process will be executed. I/O status information related to request recording. I/O devices that have not yet been fulfilled. Access to the hard disk. What are the list of fields set by the process, and so on.
The element of the PCB itself are: process identification is a numeric identifier that includes 1. Process identifier. 2. Identifier of the process that's created. 3. User identifier. Processor control information include scheduling and status information, namely the information used to perform the scheduling function. A. Process starts. Defines process starts running ready blocks. B. Priority. Explain process priority. 1. Information regarding scheduling. This information serves as the length of the wait. The length of the last process executed. 2. Event. The identity of the event that is waiting for the process. Or other structures. The PCB must have pointer to support this structure. Communication between processes varies flag. Signal and message can be associated with communication between two separate processes. This information is stored in the PCB. Process authority. Processes can have authority regarding memory and the types of instruction that can be executed. Memory management. This section contains pointer to the segment or page table, representing the process's virtual memory, resource ownership, and utilizing a process control resource must be marked. For example, A. Opened file. B. Process usage. C. User of other resource.
Processor status information, which includes user visible register or register that can be assigned assembly language inclusion for processing by the processor. Control and status register, namely the registers used to control of the operation of the processor, i.e. A. Program counter. B. PSW etc. Stack pointer each process has one of more stacks. The stack is used for parameters of address of points to the topmost position of the stack. Process control blocks are divided into three groups, namely process identification data, process that include process identifier, process state data. Piece of information was content describe the status of suspended processes, allowing the operating system to restart and still be able to execute them properly. Process control data. The operating system is used which will manage the process itself. A PCB contains many flashes of information related to a specific process, including the following. Process status. The status may be owned by H now, ready, running, waiting, terminate process.
A. New. The state that is held when the process has just been created by the high-level scheduler but is not yet ready to execute. B. Ready. Status owned when the process is ready to be executed by the processor. C. Running. The state held when instructions from a process are executed. The process can be executed because the CPU is not doing another task. D. Waiting. The state held while the process is waiting for an event such as completing an I or O or receiving a signal. E. Terminated. The state held when the process has finished executing. Okay, point 1. Program counter. A tag containing the address of the next instruction to be executed for this process. Point 2. CPU register vary in number and type depending on the computer design. This register include accumulators, index register, stack pointers, general purpose register, plus code information under any circumstance. Along with the program counter, state or status information must be stored when a fault occurs to allow the process to run our work correctly afterward. Point 3. Memory management information. This information can include information as follows of base and limit registers, peg tables, or segment tables depending on the system memory used by the operating system. Point number 4. Logging information. This information includes the amount of CPU and real-time usage, the time limit, the number of accounts, the number of jobs or process, and more. Point number 5. I/O status information. Information includes a list of the I/O device used in the process, a list of currently accessed files, and more. PCB on the server is a repository of information that can vary from one process to another. Thank you. And finally, that was our presentation. Sorry, there are still many shortcomings conveying words. Thank you.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.